Defining the structure of a thesis means explaining how your research is organized and what each part or chapter focuses on. It helps readers understand the flow of your work and the purpose of each section. Think of it as providing a summary of the layout of your thesis. Start by giving a general idea of the organization. For example, you can say, "This thesis consists of 5 chapters, each designed to address specific aspects of the research process." This gives readers an overview of how your study is divided. Next, describe briefly what each chapter does. For instance, you might explain, "The first chapter introduces the research topic, outlines the problem being studied, and states the objectives of the research." This tells readers what to expect in the introduction. You can then add, "The second chapter is a review of existing literature, which examines previous studies related to the topic and identifies gaps that this research aims to address." This shows how the literature review fits into the study. You can continue with, "The third chapter explains the research methodology, including the methods, tools, and techniques used for data collection and analysis." This ensures readers understand how the study was conducted. Then, "The fourth chapter presents the findings of the research and discusses their significance in relation to the research objectives." This highlights the importance of the results. Finally, the 5th chapter concludes the thesis by summarizing the key findings, discussing their implications, and suggesting areas for future research. For example, in a thesis about climate change, you might say, "This thesis is structured to first introduce the problem, review scientific studies, explain the methods used to collect data, present findings from case studies, and conclude with recommendations for action." Defining the structure ensures clarity and helps readers follow your work easily.